This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, the 10th of January. I'm James Spann. A wet beginning to our weekend, but the weekend, not all wet. Let's take a look out the window. These are some Skycam shots this afternoon. That's coming from Inverness, the Wingate Inn overlooking Highway 280. Low clouds, little drizzle around this morning, but nothing really measurable in terms of rain so far today. Down to the south, the Tom Bigby River is seen from our Skycam at the Demopolis Civic Center in North Marengo County. The historic White Bluffs down below. And on the eastern side of the state, that's our Skycam from atop the Houston Cole Library on the campus of Jacksonville State University, down below Alabama Highway 21. Cool day, mostly low 50s on the map. Birmingham at 51 at mid-afternoon. We note some 40s up in northeast Alabama. And around the nation, numbers keep slowly rising as we are digging out of the deep freeze. That's a radar at 2:45, and really the big rain's still a long way off. It's going to be late tonight before that gets in here. The rain's still west of Memphis, so it could very well be after midnight before the widespread rain arrives. The good news, the rain's going to be a soaker, but we don't expect any flooding or severe weather problems. We note some flash flood issues over Arkansas and Missouri, however. And up in the northeast, a lot of rain and snow there with this system. Severe weather possibilities, no risks tonight. We do have low-end 5% possibilities over southwest Alabama. But even down there, I don't think we have a problem. Now, tomorrow, there is a risk of severe weather well to the east of here. The standard slight risk from places like Panama City, Jacksonville, Gainesville, Florida, all the way up to the mouth of the Chesapeake Bay, where the main risk will be strong winds with a squall line tomorrow afternoon or tomorrow evening. Here's the rain for the next 5 days. This is through Wednesday evening. The bulk of this will be tonight and tomorrow morning. Amounts of 1 to 2 inches. Should be a pretty good little rain event as we start the weekend. This is the GFS, the Global Forecast System, valid at noon tomorrow, noon Saturday at 500 millibars. Very sharp trough to the west. Down below that, a surface low just north of Michigan with a trailing front coming through I-65, and the idea remains the same. The bulk of the rain will be after midnight tonight through tomorrow morning. The rain will be ending from west to east during the mid to late morning hours tomorrow. And I think what's going to happen will probably be in the 60s tomorrow morning. Then we fall back in the 50s tomorrow afternoon as we see some cool air advection. But the sky should begin to clear tomorrow afternoon. The sun could very well pop out, especially over the western two-thirds of the state. Sunday should be a gorgeous day. We start the day in the middle 30s, the high around 60, bright, sunny, gorgeous. Really nice day. Now, Monday, here comes another cold front. The moisture is going to be awfully limited, but it might squeeze out a few rain showers Monday afternoon or Monday evening. Before the front gets here, the high will be in the low 60s, and this is Tuesday. The front is on by. And really, there's no cold air involved here Tuesday. The high would be in the upper 50s, but Wednesday, the trough sharpens up, and that drives some colder air south. The 540 line down to about Dothan. The high will drop into the 40s on Wednesday. This is Thursday. We'll have a freeze Thursday morning, probably lows in the 20s. And then Friday, the trough axis is still there, and another shot of cold air comes down the pike. The high Friday will drop back in the 40s. So overall, the temperatures next week should average a little below where we should be for mid-January. Go out there a little deeper in the month. Here's the 26th. This is the end of the forecast, in fact. Still troughing over the east, and another surge of cold air tries to come down the pike. And with the Arctic Oscillation, you can see how it goes positive for a while, and then it tries to come back down toward the neutral line at the end of the forecast. But again, no sign of any super-duper cold air over the next 15 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. My next video will be Monday morning at 7. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders. We'll have the updates here, the videos tomorrow and Sunday. And if you can, catch us on ABC 3340 News this evening on the live stream of the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, and God bless.